All right. We are live, and now just let me make sure that you are listening to me correctly. Just want to make sure that the audio is working perfectly. The audio is working. All right. Things working as planned. Great. Let's go for it. All right. Okay. What's going on? Okay. That's the one, right? Yes. Good. Okay. That's what we want. Actually, I'm gonna start doing some housekeeping. Buying AUD and CD, 0.32. And this is going to be, let me just do something like this. Actually, 1, 3, 4. I think that's what I wanted to do. Maybe 13 pips, just, and this to 5 pips. Right, and then let me just do something really quick, which is this level 59.37. and also this level 60 to 50. Does it take so long? I think it takes too long. There we go. Then there we go. I think we are very, yes. Um, well, that makes sense to me. Okay. You're not watching the screen. Sorry about that. Nobody's watching anyway. Right. AD. What was that? AD and CD. Thursday, February 22nd. AD and CD by NCD with AD strong. I like AUD actually. Yeah, I'm doing AUD too. 0.24. Yeah. Yes. AUD 0.24. AUD 0.24. But then I wanted to do this. Yeah, is this because of that? Yeah. Right. So I will do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I will just have to adjust this below this week. Just below that one, below the immediate one. Yeah. I like that. I like this. Let me take a screenshot because I like the concept of always going below the most immediate way for the stop loss and not this one because that will be too much. And then really quick, I would like to do this, which is 0.65, 60 to 5, 0.65, 60 to 5. So that's the most immediate one, right? So I think everything should work like that, and then this should be something like this. What's the stop loss? What's the stop loss? Still profit, right? How much pips? 31. I guess something like this. And this should be 5, right? This should be kind of 15. Yeah, we have to go a little bit below that. And then that will, I need the level. I need to know what is 65, 93, 8. It's taking forever. I need to do this faster. I definitely want to do this faster. And then this one, I think, is gonna be there. CHNF. That was a lower low, right? Yes, cut CHF, sell 0.16. No, don't type that. Just find it here faster. Cut CHF 0.16. And then let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let me find the nearest quarter point, which is 65K. And then we go boom, then we go boom, then we go something like this. I need a level 65, 312. I thought it was gonna be faster. I thought this method, this thing will go faster though. This has to be in between these two levels, so it has to be like that. All right. Wow. 3 a.m. in the morning. This was nice actually. But right now it's late. That was nice, but now it's gone. Nothing to do here too. Wow, your car is so nice. Why is it working that beautifully? Your car. Well, that was a lower low, right? Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. It'll see a chef. Selling Euro CHF. 2016. One, two, three, four. One immediately to 5 pips. The other one just two really quick here. Maybe we should do something like this actually. And then later, if we have time, we do it more perfectly, I think. Wow, what is this? That's crazy. Nothing to do. There is nothing we can do. At least it could go to retest that line and maybe even more. Yes, buying Euro USD 0.24. One, two, three, four, 5, 15, 25. I think so. That's what I think. And do I want to go this low? Just a little bit. Respect that kind of wick. The one that is right there. This one, right? Right. GBP AUD is worth the risk, right? Point 32. One, two, three, four. Immediately, this 1 to 5 pips, and then we go 15, something like that, and then we go 25, something like that. GCAT, don't have X with GCAT. Wow, what's going on with this? I have to sell GBP CHF. I have to sell GBP CHF. 2016. One, two, three, four. Then this goes immediately to 5 pips. Let's go about 15. I mean, that's dollars. Let me sure this was pips, yeah. And that's, of course, let's do something like that. TJ, I don't know. GPNCD, nice. I was selling this one earlier in the morning. I love it. Beautiful. I don't think it's coming back, but I'm glad to see that happening. UPUSD. Oh, I don't know. CD card. Go sell out right now, but why this? Yeah, I'm not sure. The mistake. I'm not liking it too much. Selling NCDCHF 0.16. One, two, three, four. Adjust the stop loss over here. 5 pips immediately. So Mark Douglas rests in peace and is happy that people is actually applying his books techniques. He said, I pay myself as the market makes money available to me. That's what he said. He's the one who knows the stuff. I don't know this stuff, but Mark does. I'm his boy. See, this one is a mess because I don't know what to do. I don't have my levels marked. That sucks. Let me just try. This guy's. All right. And see the gen. Let me mark it out though. I will have to do this right now. I wish I didn't, but I have to. All right, so let's focus. All right. Okay. 250. All right. If that's the case, then that's what this is 125. Come on. 93. 75. 125. 90. 92. 95. That's it. Shouldn't be doing this at this time though. 93. 0. 25. 0. 75. One 125. 125. It's a beautiful, perfectly, nicely drawn trend line, but it's too long. It's just too long. think price wants to break it instead of respect it. But then what about the retest, right? Yeah. All right, let's keep going then. NCD USD, same thing, super strong. USD cut. I'm selling USD cut right now. 0.24. Okay, for stop loss above that. And take profit. 5 pips immediately. Then it goes something sort of 15 and then 25. Alright, so I think that makes sense. That way I don't spend too much, too long time, and then now I got time to kind of to manage this what I just did. Alright. So 9:38 I ended up trading, right? So 9:38 a.m. I was done setting everything together, and now it will be a matter of managing what I did, right? So let me just come here and let's register everything that happened. And where is okay? Let me see if I can do this like this. I will try to speak louder. So we are selling USD CAD, right? Selling USD CAD. So we are saying USD weak, CAD strong. Selling NCDCHF. So in this one we are saying NCD weak and CHF strong. We are selling GBP CHF. We are saying GBP weak, CHF strong. We are selling GBP AUD. Wow, we are doing lots of GBPs. We are buying Euro USD. We are saying USD weak, Euro strong. We are selling Euro CHF, and we are saying Euro weak, CHF strong. Okay. We are selling CAD CHF. and we're saying Gatwick CHF strong. We are buying AUD USD, and here we are saying AUD strong, weak, USD is weak, AUD strong. And this has to be here. And we are buying AUD and CD, all right? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 entries. 9.90 and then 5 times. I think it's 0.95. I mean, no, it's probably 1.2% to 1.3% risk. So 70% of 1.3%. How much is it? Yeah, I don't like that. So what was that? 70% of 1.3%. Okay. 1.3. Yeah. So we could probably lose 0.91%. So 0.91% of 80K. $728. So if I see a profit of $728, which is 70% of 1.3%, and then I will have to divide 728 by 2, which is 78 by 2. 64. All right. Well, then all it is now is to wait and to let things go. Let's see how things go. Nine pairs today. It's going to move a lot because it's 9 pairs. So it's actually risking 1.3% of the account. But as I always say, what do you prefer? Do you prefer risking? Let's add a page right here, right? Let's add that. Do you prefer risking 1.3% in one trade, or risking 1.3% among 9 trades? That's the question, actually. That is the question. That is the question. What do you prefer? Do you prefer risking 1.3% in one trade or risking 1.3% among 9 trades? So many things going on in the system. Many things going on in the system. What's happening here is I'm following everything that Mark Douglas teaches. Thankfully today we didn't get a strong hit against us like the day before. But we are taking profits as the market makes money available to us. For example, your Euro USD already took profit TP1, right? These are just broker fees. So we have had 3 pairs taking profit as the market made money available to us. And that was it, right? Yeah, I think so. So if you see the positions, there are some that are just 3, and I entered 4 because one already took profit. This has 3 only. That means one of these entries already hit take profit. And AUD and CD is going to fear the first stop loss of the day, I think. So then at the end, we did have something going against us immediately, really bad. It was AUD and CD. Of course, we are below that week and we have a stop loss of 13 points. So it makes sense. And of course, we could have the W to save the day, right? So we're fine. Let me see this. So that means I can lose $728. And let me just read the disclaimer for you guys. Disclaimer: the content presented in this live video is for informational and educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and the views and opinions expressed are solely my own. Any trading or investment decisions made based on the information provided are at your own risk. Please conduct your own research and consult with a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. By watching this video, you acknowledge and agree that I am not liable for any losses or damages that may occur as a result of actions taken based on the information presented. Having said that, let's see how AUD NCD hits the stop loss or gets saved by the bell. You know why I enjoy this? Let me tell you why I enjoy when something's gonna hit the stop loss. Because what I used to do was I used to to say, oh no, it's going to stop loss. Oh no, let's move the stop loss over here so that we are saved. And maybe we are lucky and it reverses because sometimes it does. Oh, but you know what? Let's keep adding positions here so that maybe price is going to reverse right here. I used to be that trader. And if anybody watching this has been around for at least 2 years, this has happened to you too. That's why I love when such things happen because they remind me that I'm not as bad as I used to be. I used to be a very bad trader. Let me hide volume for a second. Right? So I used to. Come on. Okay. Just too many things in the graph. So I used to buy here, buy because the stop loss is going to get hit. Is to buy that like crazy, right? I used to be that trader. Not anymore. And you know why? Let me tell you why. It's actually very interesting. Let me see if I can delete. No, no, no. It's deleting the parameters. I thought it was going to delete all these things, so I have to do all the parameters again. Oh, I don't know what just happened. Let me see. That's AED and CD. Those are the 4 buys. They are there. Oh, no, no. They just decided to hit. All right. So price is about to reach the stop loss. And let me tell you the interesting thing about this. When I used to make so many entries here before it reaches the stop loss, when you're lucky and it happens, then you make a lot of money in a little time, but you don't let it run. You just take profits because your mental status at that moment is just not appropriate. But when that doesn't happen, when you're buying and buying and buying, then you keep buying. And the price keeps just coming, and then here, by the time you get here, your account is lost. And the price does something crazy like something like this, your account goes to zero. That's why I love to watch stop loss getting hit. I love it. I love this. Right? I was hoping for an M, right? This for a W, I mean. So Mark Douglas says your stop loss is where you will know that the trade didn't happen, right? So this is not a W anymore. And if it keeps going, it's not a W. It's going to be something different, but it's not going to be a W. So that's why my stop is right there. I am paying this fee, this amount of money for the moments where the W doesn't happen. That's what I'm doing. Another trade will be nice there, but I am already in this one. I decided to trade at at this shift in momentum, right? That was my trade. So maybe price will reverse at the 0.618 because this made a higher high. That was my bias. I'm okay losing. I'm okay losing. I'm okay losing. No problem. Mm. All right. Stop loss just about to get hit. Let's watch it together as I wish I had popcorn. See? I am not adding more positions. I am not doing anything. I'm happy stop loss is going to get hit because I am new. I am different. I am not the trader I used to be where I wouldn't happen. I wouldn't accept such things happen. I will be like, so stop loss got hit. We're out of this trade. It took us out in a loss, right? It just took us out. Um, I had entered here. Let me just make this Fibonacci look nicer. Okay, so I was betting on the 0.618, right? It's right here. Nice quarter point. The retracement was kind of okay. I should have waited for something more like a retracement more slow, right? But anyway, things went that way and I have to accept them. That trade is not giving me money, it's not taking money from me, so there is no reason why I should have it open. I will open something else. Let's open NCDCHF, which is also seems that it wants to go to stop loss too. And that was what I didn't see. Let me just see. All right, so while we were doing that, also GBP CHF hit stop loss. So GBP CHF stop loss, and also AUD and CD stop loss. So Aidan, can you hit stop loss? Yes, many times. So those are the two trades that have hit stop loss. Even though they have the same 10 pip, sometimes the pip calculator doesn't give exact numbers, but I guess it's not too much difference, $8. Well, it is a kind of, I will be okay if losing $728. I didn't take a screenshot of how the account started. I will have to do that analysis at the end. Or can I see it in this computer? Can I see the beginning balance? Let me just see if I can have the beginning balance. Yes. Ooh, I cannot see it is hidden. Yeah, 79,449. 79,449. I think that was the beginning balance. And right now is 79,236. So we have lost like $200. Of course, it's the two pairs that have been lost, right? And I lose like $100 per pair. Let's see some good news. Has all been bad? Is everything bad? Yes. Every position is getting lost. Let me just make sure that only those two have lost so far. No, it's three actually. AUD NCD is there, GBP CHF is there, and GBP AUD. That's a bummer. Oh, come on. What was that? GBP AUD. Okay. Lost 3 out of 9. 3 out of 9. Okay. And let me just come back to the current broadcast. Okay. So nothing fun to watch right now as everything is going towards stop loss. Not nice, nothing nice to see. Euro USD, maybe it would be nice to watch Euro USD, which already hit TP1 and could go on its way to go to TP 2, 3, and 4. But other than that, we have USD cut that might get shy there and come back here. Interesting is what times Euro USD switches. It's always in the morning. 6:30, 6:15. Oh, this was afternoon. This was 5:45 a.m. And then a continuation at 10. Interesting. It's fun to watch that. All right. Well, I'm so happy with what we are doing. We are risking 1.3% of the account with 9 trades. Um, we're taking partial profits too. So let's hope for things to reverse. It's just 10 a.m. in the morning. Using CAD about to hit TP1. That could get shy right there. Hopefully it can give us TP1. It was almost there. Look at that. What time was that? In the morning, right? Look at this. That's awesome. AUD, USD. So there is some hope since AUD USD seems to be respecting, USD CAD seems to be going down, Euro USD seems it wants to keep going up. So there is hope that these things could reverse to the levels that we want them to reverse at. Now USD could be just retesting that little trend line actually. Because this is not it. This could be it. Anyway, it's not perfect. So let's not draw it then. Some good news now. Some of the trades are now going on rejection. Of course, now they fit all the screen because there is not three positions are not there anymore. Right. So USD CAD should be there. It's there. NCD CHF should be there. It's there. Euro CHF should be there. It's there. CAD CHF should be there. It's there. Euro USD should be there. It's there. AUD USD should be there. Also, it is there. The only problem with what Mark Douglas was teaching is he said that 1/10 of his positions went against him immediately. I just got almost 50% of them, which 33%. So he probably had a better system. I wonder what was his system because his edge went against him 1/10 of the times. Okay. Euro USD call. I think that should be the 70 something Fibonacci, right? Wow, what was that? Yeah, from 78.6. I think our trades are at least um, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Hmm. So USD CAD didn't hit TP1 and now it's coming back to entry. It almost got to TP1. This is adding some losses of the other in the morning. So this doesn't sum up the loss that we have had so far. I think we are fine. Is the CAD though? Not today. I want to study those extremes of London. See, here London session started. Right, and look at that volume. Flat top and look at this volume. So you buy here, stop loss is here. Not too much. And then the reward is nice. Let me just see for a second. Let's see it here. It was nice. Excuse me. Let's see what happened. Because this trade is easier than this, right? And then look at this one. This in 5 minutes is amazing. It's like, hey, I don't want to go down anymore. What about 4? See? It stays visible. Look at this. This is crazy. How about 2? It just keeps getting smaller and smaller. And then boom, boom. Let's see what happened here. That was the last intent to sell. The price just flies up. Interesting. Nothing else has hit stop loss so far. Place the same. Okay. Let me just see. Keep looking at this thing. We're watching 45 minutes. Yeah. Let's just study this thing for a second. Look at this. Look at what is going on. Use the card. Use the card. Look, it starts in London. It makes a fake breakout. Let's study this fake breakout in London session. I would like to see it in. I want to mess with this one. No, I don't. Let me just see it in a new layer. No, no. I mean, let me just delete some layouts. Okay, let me just make a copy. And it's going to be London analysis, right? Let's see. And then let's mess up with this one. So I kind of want to see it like this. And then I want to do 45, 15, and 5. That's what I want to see, actually, I think. Interesting. So, okay. Why it looks like this? Anyway, this is just. Let me just analyze this thing. Let me just delete something. Kind of a rectangle, right? Yeah, it's a rectangle. So the thing happened here, right? The decision should have been taken in here from that week to this entry. That's where the best entry could have happened. I wanna do one more. Let's see if it gets too messy. No, it doesn't get that bad. And let's do 3 minutes here. Let's see what happened there. Just interesting. Price came. Well, we analyze this one, right? I want to do this one right now. Because the entry was, one entry was here, and then the other one was here. So let's see what happened with price in the first one. So what was happening? Price gets there, and let's see volume. This candle is too great. So in 45 minutes, it didn't tell me anything. In in 15, I don't think in 15 I will have catch anything. But in 5 is where the beauty starts. So I like volume in 5 minute time frame getting into London. Because then this could be like, hey, so this thing between 2 a.m. and 3 a.m., it will be beautiful to watch to see like, hey, what's going on? Why price is rejecting this area? That's crazily. We don't need this right now. So in 5 minutes, I like it. And in 3 minutes, I like this one. I like this candle in the 3 minute time frame because volume just went almost 50% of the range of the volume before. Didn't TradingView had this average volume thing when you work with this? What's volume MA? Yes, I think that's it. That doesn't talk to me too much. That's it. I don't know. At least in the 3 minute, volume did started to grow. So that will be validating, but I think because it started below the quarter point, I think it will be something that could tell us some clue. Okay, I think I like. Let me see the. the volume I made here too. Because if volume is increasing below the quarter point, that could be the indication that it started early. And of course, it's not going to be the biggest volume of the day. By the way, what is it cat doing? Unless it's improving again. Um, it's interesting. Let me see what this volume doing in terms of the map. Um, Here was just this candle in 15M with lots of volume could be an indication of something. And then actually volume is decreasing here. And then it was very shiny here, so here it didn't talk to us. Let me see what happened in 45-minute time frame. Okay. No. So it really doesn't do anything to us, right? I mean, of course it's getting higher because the London session started, so it's obviously that it's going to go high. But I really think I wanna see trades from the London perspective. Look USD CHF, right? Of course, it's not gonna happen every day, but look at this. What happened here, right? So if price is coming down crazily 2 quarter points into London, that's easier than trying to sell these, right? I love what I'm doing with that. Let me just check how things are going. GBP AUD was the last one to hit stop loss, and yes, so nothing has hit stop loss so far. Of course, the numbers could be better. Everything is red. I mean, here. The only good news is Euro USD actually. So let's watch it for a second. But it's also retracing back. And the London trade was that. Let's see Euro USD here. Let's see Euro USD, right? Let me check this. What happened here? Getting into London, that crazy candle getting into London should be an indication of something, and then you enter when price gets back to the current point. And then we can do, then we could do something like, of course, it's not gonna happen every day. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna work every day. Today was like that, but what about the previous session? What is there anything that can let me have? Look at this one. That's crazy. Look at this. I think it's beautiful. Look at this point of control from long ago, February 2nd. Surprise just went there to do that M and crazily reacted to it. It's interesting. So if see this thing coming, and then you see the candle with this wick, you could have sold here, or you could, and that was 2:30 a.m. in the morning, and this was 3 a.m. Not gonna happen every day, but that could be the trade I'm looking for, which I'm trying to trade at nights instead of in the mornings. So analyzing how price is coming towards London and what price does. I think I just have to trade between 2:15 a.m. and 3:30. 2:15 and 3:30 actually. That's new. 2:15 and 3:30 a.m. So I really want to see what is London doing, and with my system, I think it makes a lot of sense to test what is going on. And then, of course, we can do the retracement of that. I don't know. This is probably a moving average too. It wouldn't surprise me to see an EMA 200 right here. You wanna bet? Let me just see something here. Let me see. EMA 200, right? You see what I'm saying? It wouldn't be surprising to see it over here. So if price if price got away from the mean of the EMA 200 and it went right into London with this kind of candle with huge wick. Then look at this one. Look at this candle in 3-minute time frame. This one. This one is saying, hey, I'm ready to go down to 27 in the morning. Sell this. And also, if you saw it here, because of this and this, you could enter here. Plus, that might be some Fibonacci. That's in between. And if you do it here, it's almost perfect. I think it's to the pip 0.61a, right? And then it just go to where? That's no, no, no. That's not the one I want. It's the minus one. What is this? This? Anyways, maybe. No. I think that's where people do the minus here and minus here, right? Let's see. See? Right there. Interesting. So definitely studying. Let me just put it in the journal. Did you keep it or not? All right. I am liking the approach of trading the price movements coming into London to trade at a time of 2:15 a.m. to 3:30 a.m. I remember all my life playing or trading the reversal from the London move, and a voice whispered on my ear since then, which is 6 years ago. How how what could I do to get into that trade instead of just hoping for a reversal of it? So tonight, I will tomorrow morning, very early, between 2:15 and 3:30. I will be testing that. So I want to watch many pairs and their interaction with the London Open. this goes into the system. This is important. Alright, let's see how things are going. Here is this. Looking to reverse. Everything red. Other than GBP nothing has hit stop loss yet. So we are live in other trades, but CDUSD cat is breaking up. Almost to hit stop loss. Anyway, losing right now 0.5%. So I will go do some stuff. Will help my wife with some things. I should leave you with this. I think there's no reason to keep the live. I can, yeah, because then I want to broadcast again to tell you the results. So why not just leave you with these things and then this. I will leave the transmission, but if you like, leave it on. Or just make a part two. I think I wanna make just a part two. Yeah, I just wanna make a part two. Let's finish this.